What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you what's on my LG Stylo 4. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first and foremost, before we even go inside the phone, I'm going to show you what I actually have on my LG Stylo 4, and I'm talking about a case. So the case that we have on here is the Poetic Revolution case. I will be reviewing many more of their cases for the LG Stylo 4, so definitely subscribe if you guys haven't already, because I'm going to be covering every LG Stylo 4 case that Poetic offers. But I have this Poetic Revolution case on here, really nice case. Say you work in construction, or you work somewhere that you really need a super hefty case, or you're just clumsy and you drop your case a lot and you don't want to break your phone, then this is definitely a really good case. So Poetic offers this for $17. As you guys see right here, we have a kickstand in the back, so we can actually take out the kickstand, pop it right there, and we can put it like that. We can put it sideways, pretty awesome. Pull back, put it back together, and just an all-around really nice case. As you guys see, we have a huge lip around the front of the case, so any drops that are going to happen on the front side aren't going to do anything to the screen, because this has all around 360 protection. We also have all the appropriate cutouts for everything we need, such as the Type-C port right here. We actually have a rubberized protection for that, as well as a 3.5mm head jack. Another rubberized protection for that. No rubberized protection for the Stylo 4 stylus, but that is obvious because we need this. But yeah, just an all-around really nice case. It's only $17. If you guys want to go ahead and purchase one, the link will be in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get into the LG Stylo 4 and see what we're rocking. Obviously, it's a lot different than what anyone else has, unless you're using the same icon pack that I have. So first and foremost, I am using Nova Prime Launcher. Now this is going to be about, I think, $4.99, $5.99, so really affordable launcher. You guys can go ahead and get on the Play Store. But you guys might be asking, what kind of icon pack am I using? So if you go ahead and go to Play Store, I'm using the TiGod Pro icon pack. Now this is going to run you $2 if you guys want to go ahead and download it, but the icons look really nice. So the icons that we have on here are pretty much 3D representations of the applications that we usually see. As you guys see at the bottom of the screen right there, we have our camera, we have Chrome, Google, and they're all 3D. This is why I kind of fell in love with this icon pack, and I had it on my Z Max Pro for the longest time, and definitely had to put it on my LG Stylo 4. So getting into what is on my LG Stylo 4, obviously we have Nova Prime on here, we have the dark theme on here. As you guys see with our Google search bar, we do have a black bar up there, so if you like that type of style, then you can obviously do that. There are so many different things you can do with Nova Prime that it's just crazy. The launcher's crazy. It makes your phone way more dynamic. You can put certain themes on it. You can change things around with your grid. There's just so many cool things you can do on there. Pretty sure you guys know what Nova is. If you guys don't know, it's a launcher you can put on any Android phone. So really cool stuff. Going into my applications, let's go over here. We have the Play Store, obviously, that's set on here. YouTube, everybody knows what that is. You're watching YouTube right now to actually see this video. We have Nova Launcher on here. TiGod Pro, which was the icon pack that I showed you, that's going to be a couple of bucks. We have Amazon Shopping. We have our Auto List. Now, Auto List is one of my favorite applications for finding cars and different stuff like that. Say you need a car, it's going to give you all the cars that are around you. I think in a 100-mile radius, so pretty cool application right there. Next application we have right here is Cash App. Really dope app. If you guys don't like using things like PayPal and stuff like that, if you want to just get it instantly into your bank account, you want your money, you want instant gratification that someone pays you back, Cash App is really good. With bigger amounts of money, there are going to be certain fees, but if you want a one-day transfer, there's going to be 0 fees. But if you want an instant transfer, it's usually probably somewhere in between 40 and 50 cents. So really nice application. Next thing we have right here is Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies. Really fun zombies game. If you guys are a fan of Call of Duty or any horror games for that matter, survival horror games, you guys are definitely going to like that. If you guys know what Call of Duty Black Ops is and Zombies is, it's basically a miniature version on there, put on a mobile platform, but you can play online, you can play single player. There's just a ton of different maps you can play on as well. Really fun game. Definitely recommend it for the people who love that genre. Obviously, we have Instagram right here. If you guys want to go follow me, I am at tech.right. We also have Knife Hit, one of my favorite games, most addicting games I've ever played. Basically, you're throwing knives at pieces of wood and you're trying to dodge other knives that you've already thrown down. It's hard to explain. I know it's weird when I explain it, but really fun game, really addicting. Definitely would recommend it to all the people who love tapping games. But yeah, pretty simple, pretty fun. Download it. Next thing we have right here is Lyft. I personally like Lyft better than Uber. If you guys like Uber, obviously go with Uber, but Lyft, it tends to be cheaper. You know, Uber has that, you know, higher status, I guess, because more people know about it, but Lyft is where it's at for me. One of the better applications for going around my city and stuff, so cool stuff. Next thing we have on my phone is Netflix. Obviously, you guys know Netflix is pretty much life for a lot of people. If you guys want to watch any, you know, episodes of your favorite TV show or some of your favorite movies are on there. Really nice streaming platform. You guys obviously know the gist. We also have Pocket Z on here, one of my favorite applications for gift cards. You can actually put different types of e-gift cards on here and you can scan them at checkout. Say you're at your favorite store. Use this a lot for AMC, Blaze Pizza, and a ton of other places that are around me. Really nice place to hold your gift cards and discount codes and stuff like that if you guys have those. Next thing we have is Twitter. Obviously follow me on there at TechRight 101. I do tweet some stuff sometimes, but mostly it's just random tweets, so don't use Twitter too much. And yeah, that's pretty much all that's on my LG Stylo 4 for right now. I don't use this as a primary phone because I am trying to get the most out of my Key 2 right now. You guys will see a review for that very, very soon. But this is a secondary phone. Really loving it so far. Even with the Nova launcher on here, doesn't slow down the phone whatsoever, and even having 2 GB on this phone, is 2 GB of RAM, that is really nice. Honestly, it hasn't slowed the phone down whatsoever in my experience so far. But yeah, LG Stylo 4 works for what I need it to do. If you guys are enjoying your LG Stylo 4, definitely put in the comments down below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with the phone. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below, as well subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. Without further ado, this has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.